Displaying this time?
This time major focus is lighting, so all the LEDs related to lighting we have displayed here.
Is there any new launch recently?
Yes, actually we have launched some new products from the mid-power range. So nowadays most of the in-house lighting or indoor lighting is addressed with the low power and mid-power lighting. Earlier it was with the high power. So that kind of a range we have brought in. The new series has been launched here. Yeah.
And sir, how's the response of people in 3 days?
Yeah. Couple of days it was good. The first day was actually the quality visitors have come in. Yesterday was so, and today we have to really have a challenge to face the public. Yeah.
Or any suggestions, any particular segment that you will look forward to for the visitors?
Yeah, actually, along with this, maybe the LED related applications in automotive and then display segment are more to be promoted on this. Yeah.
Something about LED industry in India.
LED industry is right now actually seeing the little dynamics. Earlier was only false promises, but now at least we have seen into some kind of a market transformation towards the LED lighting, because the cost has really been brought down by all LED manufacturers as well as the system manufacturers also. And the LEDs with the brands like Philips or Havells or Halonex, whoever, the big brands with LED lighting were little hesitant before, but now they have actually aggressively been participating in this. So we really see the next year to be more transformed into the LED, because the big players coming means the market percentage would grow through their channel network sales, which are already established. But all the small time manufacturers who have been so far here, they'll have their own kind of limited access to the market and its channels. Yeah.
So any suggestions for the organizers?
Yeah, I would congratulate them again for having another success in their Fridat today. So yeah, I would wish them all success, and suggestions. Yeah, definitely we would pass it on in the due course of time. Yeah, after seeing today.
You'll be there next year for sure.
Obviously, yes, we will be there. I'm only participating in one show, that is LED Expo in India. Yeah. No other show we participate in India. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.